Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing to you how to stop your hair fall in a rainy season, and also any times you have to hair fall to damage your hair fall. I also always telling you to stop your hair fall naturally. This time I will show you natural products or natural remedy to stop your hair fall naturally at your home. So let's start. At first, my ingredient is aloe vera gel. Take aloe vera gel in a raw aloe vera gel because I think the raw aloe vera gel in your hair is the best option. So I take a aloe vera gel in this. I already blended aloe vera in gel in this type because if you want to take in aloe vera full of your pills, that's no problem, but I also took in this inside portion to blend it in aloe vera gel, and then I take in a ginger paste or ginger juice and coconut oil. So this is my three ingredients to make my hair fall, to stop my hair fall and hair damages problem. So let's start. This time I tell you and something that I don't know your hair is how much long or how much short. So friends, I take aloe vera gel as I need in my hair portion. So I just take 2 spoons of aloe vera gel because my hair is short, so I need this portion. And I also take ginger juice, 2 tablespoons. If your hair is long, then add more quantity of these ingredients. And last, take 2 or 3 drops of coconut oil. And now mix it very well. Aloe vera gel is a help to reduce your hair fall and also damages to reduce your hair damage and dandruff problem, and also your hair scalp is stronger and hair fall is removed naturally 100%. And then I used in ginger juice that is more stronger our hair and reduce our hair fall and damages reduced. And also aloe vera gel helps to shiny and silky our hair, and also I used there in a coconut oil that will moisturize our hair and nourish our hair and smoothes in our hair. And also coconut oil is a one benefit that is the hair fall problem, that is the reduced hair fall if I used in these 2 sides in this coconut oil. So how can you apply it, I also told you. Just brush your hair and then take your cotton ball or your hand, just apply it on one side to another side, and the scalp in just massage when you apply and fully on your hair, and then apply just massage your hair scalp 2 or 3 seconds, and then leave it in 30 minutes or to 1 hour, and then leave it until it's a little bit dry or little bit dry, and then wash it with the cold water or your bath shower in water with the shampoo and conditioner. Try these ingredients or try this hair pack in 2 times in a week. I told in that 100% naturally and reduce your hair fall, and also damages problem is also reduced. So use these ingredients and use this remedy in 2 times in a week. So friends, this is my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.